Good evening to you. We begin with an update. The Missouri Attorney General is now trying to shut down a Christian County used car dealership after months of investigations by On Your Side.
It all started with reporting by our Ashley Reynolds, who brings us up to speed tonight. Ashley?
Missouri's top attorney just filed a lawsuit against Select Motor Company in Ozarks. It's a business we've reported for a few months now. Customers told On Your Side they waited weeks, some months, and never got their titles. Now, you might remember last month, the Christian County prosecutor filed criminal charges against the owners over deceptive business practices. Those cases are still working their way through the courts. Now we've learned Andrew Bailey wants to ban Select Motor Company from selling cars. The lawsuit reads Select Motor Company violated the Missouri Merchandising Practices Act by selling vehicles without titles. It mentions 9 customers bought cars early this year and never got their titles. On page 12, the AG wrote, Select Motor used deception, fraud, and false pretense in connection with the sale of each vehicle. Missouri's Department of Revenue says a dealer must give you the title when you buy the car. The AG is asking the judge to issue an injunction, which would shut down the business and require workers to give the titles to customers who have waited months.
Say, hey, like, we don't want to be filmed. We're just going through a certain situation right now that we're trying to figure out with our customers.
Ruslan Perseus-Nook owns Select Motor Company. Back in April, he told me he's trying to make things right. The customers we interviewed then did recently get their titles. As for this latest lawsuit, Perseus-Nook told me in an email this week, unfortunately, a significant portion of the remaining titles are being withheld by a third-party financing company, which has caused delays that are outside of our immediate control. That said, we are doing everything within our power to work through this issue and get titles released to our customers as quickly as possible. In the lawsuit, the AG is also suing that finance company that bought the cars, Toyota Motor Credit Corporation. The AG is also suing the Missouri Department of Revenue. The DOR spokesperson said that's so a judge can decide if the department can transfer the titles without the required lien release usually needed. The AG wants Select Motor to pay restitution and civil penalties, but it doesn't list an amount. The AG also wants the company to pay all court, investigative, and prosecution costs. The company has 30 days to respond before anything happens and still has a handful of pending civil cases with customers over similar complaints. We'll continue to follow this story. Lisa.
Thanks, Ashley. To our